Hey health explorers, and welcome back to the channel. You might have seen headlines buzzing around the internet talking about bee venom and its potential to fight cancer. It sounds almost like something out of a sci-fi movie or perhaps an ancient folk remedy. But what's the real story? Is there genuine science behind the sting? Today we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of bee venom research, particularly its incredible potential against breast cancer. We'll explore exactly how it works, what the latest studies are showing, and why, despite the excitement, it's not a cure-all yet. Stick around because this is one scientific journey you won't want to miss. So, what exactly are we talking about when we say bee venom? It's not just one thing, it's a complex cocktail of compounds. But the undisputed star of the show, the main active ingredient, is a powerful peptide called Melittin. Melittin makes up a whopping 40 to 60% of bee venom. It's the primary reason a bee sting hurts so much, causing pain and inflammation. But here's where it gets truly fascinating. Scientists have discovered that this very same compound has incredible properties that allow it to interact with cell membranes, leading to both antimicrobial and, crucially, anti-tumor activities. And here's a key point. Researchers can now synthetically produce Melittin in the lab. This is huge because it means we don't have to rely solely on collecting venom directly from bees, which is great for consistency and scalability in research. Now, let's talk about the buzz you might have heard, especially from Australia. Groundbreaking studies, particularly from the Harry Perkins Institute of Medical Research and the University of Western Australia, along with comprehensive reviews, have shown some truly astonishing results. Bee venom and its components, especially Melittin, consistently show significant anti-cancer effects on human breast cancer cells. And we're not just talking about one type. This includes efficacy against hormone receptor positive, HER2-enriched, and even the notoriously aggressive triple-negative breast cancer, or TNBC. Why is TNBC so significant? Because for triple-negative breast cancer, there are currently very few clinically effective targeted treatments. So finding anything that shows promise against it is a massive step forward. What's even more remarkable is the speed and potency. Studies have shown that bee venom can reduce the number of breast cancer cells in a dose and time-dependent manner. In some cases, it's been observed to completely destroy a cancer cell membrane in just 60 minutes. That's incredibly rapid action. So, how does this tiny sting pack such a powerful punch against cancer? Scientists have identified several fascinating mechanisms. Direct cell lysis, or pore formation. Imagine a tiny charged missile. Melittin, with its positive charge, directly targets and forms pores, or holes, in cancer cell membranes. This essentially causes the cancer cell to leak and die. It's a direct, physical attack on the cell's integrity. Apoptosis, or programmed cell death. Beyond just bursting cells, bee venom and Melittin can also induce apoptosis, which is like telling a cancer cell, hey, it's time to self-destruct. It does this by adjusting genes related to cell death, essentially activating the cancer cell's own kill switch. Enhanced cell targeting. Researchers are even finding ways to make Melittin smarter by attaching a cancer-specific ligand, basically a homing beacon. They can direct Melittin to bind more selectively to receptors that are overexpressed on cancer cells, making it even more precise in its attack. Regulation of gene expression. Bee venom also interferes with the cancer cell's internal communication. It can shut down signaling pathways that are fundamental for cancer cell growth and reproduction, effectively putting the brakes on uncontrolled cell division. Synergistic effects with chemotherapy. This is particularly exciting. When Melittin's pore-forming ability is combined with existing chemotherapy drugs, it can potentially enable those drugs to enter the cancer cell more easily, enhancing their destructive effects. Studies have shown that this combination can be extremely efficient in reducing tumor growth in mice. It's like Melittin opens the door for chemotherapy to walk right in and do its job better. So with all this incredible promise, why isn't bee venom a standard cancer treatment yet? This is where we talk about the crucial challenges and the long road ahead. Non-specific toxicity. The biggest hurdle is that while Melittin is great at killing cancer cells, it can also be toxic to normal, healthy cells, especially at higher doses. This non-specific cytotoxicity is a major concern. Delivery vehicles. To overcome this, scientists are working on delivery vehicles. Imagine tiny, microscopic taxis like nanocarriers, niasomes, nanoparticles that can safely transport Melittin directly to the tumor site, protecting healthy cells along the way. This targeted delivery is key to mitigating side effects. Dosage and optimization. Determining the exact optimal dose and method of delivery for humans will require years of rigorous study and testing through clinical trials. This isn't something you can just wing it with. It's important to differentiate this cutting-edge scientific research from traditional apitherapy, which has been around for thousands of years and involves direct bee stings. While apitherapy is used for various conditions, more controlled trials are needed to confirm its effectiveness for specific diseases, and it carries significant risks, like severe allergic reactions, like anaphylaxis. This scientific journey is about isolating and precisely delivering the active compounds, not about getting stung. So, to wrap it all up, the buzz around bee venom and cancer is absolutely justified. Research, particularly on Melittin, shows incredible promise in fighting aggressive breast cancer cells through multiple, powerful mechanisms. It's truly exciting to see how nature's own defenses are inspiring new avenues in medicine. However, it's crucial to remember that this is still very much in the preclinical stage. While the potential is immense, successful translation into human treatments will require extensive further research to overcome challenges like non-specific toxicity and to perfect safe, targeted delivery systems. What do you think about the potential of bee venom in cancer treatment? Did anything in this video surprise you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If this deep dive into the science of bee venom fascinated you, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to know, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next exploration into the world of natural health and science. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.